My name is Colin Harmon. I come from Dublin in Ireland, and I'm working here with host2017 and Victoria Arduino, and this is the star of the show this time. This is the Mythos 2. So alongside it you can see the Mythos, which was launched in 2013, and it's been a great success. It's been one of the most successful grinders ever launched. And the Mythos 2 improves on an awful lot of the aspects of what the Mythos 1 does. The most notable addition to the grinder has been this here, which is essentially a gravimetric system. So we now have a scales built into this grinder so that you can have 3 weight settings. So if you want to have a 16 gram dose, a 20 gram dose and a 19.5 gram dose, you can set it and then the grinder will grind that much coffee for you. It alleviates the need to have a scale beside your grinder to weigh your dose every time. The grinder is now doing it for you. You can also change the RPMs on the grinder. So this changes the revolutions per minute on the burr set. Now this has implications in terms of speed and accuracy, but it's up to the burr set to decide where they want that to be, which is a huge improvement again on the Mythos, so it's making things go faster. It still has the heating element into it. Now what's different this time is that you can also change the temperature of, I suppose, what you could call the group head on this grinder. So if you want that to be set at 30 degrees or 60 degrees or anywhere in between, it allows you to do that. So now the barista has the ability to change the temperature of the ground coffee, to have a specific dose every time when they grind, and to change the RPMs on it. So there's a whole world of learning that's going to come from that, but it's very exciting for any specialty coffee shop to have those 3 things available to them now. So I'll just quickly demonstrate. Let me see that. I'll do this quicker, right? So there's a sensor here on the grinder as well. So when you put in your water filter, it knows it's there and then off it goes. So there we go, accurate dose every time. And then you can have 3 different settings in there, so you can have 3 different doses. But it's very intuitive and works exactly how you want it. So one of the other features of this grinder is that it has a new inverter motor. So the inverter motor allows it to change speeds, like I mentioned, but also it produces far less heat. So heat isn't as much of an issue with this grinder as it is with other grinders. That has a lot of implications in terms of how the coffee tastes. Cheers. Is this yours?